But there we go. Right, so what are we going to say? My usual old shit of sitting here trying to think.
Stuttering.
Okay.
We are about 40 minutes from France.
Yeah.
Are you recording? Take two.
Do that
So
again.
we are about 36 minutes from Dunkirk now.
We will get there. We will get there. Right. Last time. Take three. Last time.
How do we start?
Ping it.
So we are about 30 minutes from Dunkirk now.
30 minutes from Dunkirk, and hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, thank you for joining us. We are, as Kingy has just said, 30 minutes from French soil and our first European trip on our motorbikes since 2017.
Madness.
If you didn't hear that, that was 2017. Yes, I did say it right. It's the first time we've been on our motorbikes in Europe since then. Can't believe it. Feels like another lifetime ago since we was there. But we are doing it, and we are going out there for a nice 4-day trip, few countries, bouncing around and back to the UK on Friday. So thank you for joining us again. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. There will be a few videos because it is a 4-day trip and I'm not going to have a 2-hour long video.
No. And where are we going? France, Belgium, Luxembourg tonight.
Yep.
Germany tomorrow. Holland on Thursday.
Yep.
Back home on Friday.
There you go. There's the itinerary. Enjoy the videos. Enjoy the ride. So we've had ourselves a little bit of a stop because it's getting a bit cold on the motorway. I think we're going to have a fill up some fuel, maybe get a coffee, and then avoid the motorways for the rest, I think, mate. So yeah, cool. Let's try and warm up.
What's this place called? I think I got it.
Hi all, we're here. Hey, made it to Luxembourg. How good is that? Bit of long riding today. I think there's a total of about 280. King is normally the mileage, King.
About 280?
Yeah, about 280, so there you go. Starting out in the UK this morning in Kent, down to Dover, on the ferry over to Dunkirk, and then from Dunkirk we bounced through a little bit of France, a little bit of Belgium on the motorways to sort of clock off a little bit of mileage, and then we pulled over, had a little bit of a splash and dash, bit of drink and a bit of fuel, and then it was off the motorways and villages and their country lanes and things like that, and then eventually arriving here in Luxembourg. The hotel we're staying at today is Hotel de la Sur, biker friendly. They've got a garage on site as well. Massively recommended to come here and stay here. So yeah, we're going to see what it's like. Looks a bit quirky. Been and got our key in that already. Looks a little bit quirky, but yeah, we're going to pack the bikes away and then we'll catch up a bit later.
We'll explore. See you later.